we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty folding knife. List number 1. Benchmade Anadamas 275 Tactical Knife. The D2 stainless steel blade holds an edge exceptionally well. The G10 handle is durable and stable enough for a wide range of temperatures, making it ideal for tactical use. Benchmade's AXIS lock is exceptionally strong and fully ambidextrous. The Anadamas 275 is a manual knife that can be opened and closed single-handedly. The 275 is rugged yet comfortable to hold and use. The reversible pocket clip and cordura sheath offer ultimate accessibility. The Anadamas 275's drop point. List number 2. Spyderco Maddox 2XL Folding Knife. The Maddox 2XL is an oversized version of the Maddox 2 with a blade that is just under 4 inches. This knife is perfect for bigger hands and tasks that demand a longer blade. Its scaled G10 handle has a unique non-slip checked texture. This handle provides a special kind of comfort, creating a reliable, long-term carry. If you are looking for control and precision, look no more. This knife features our plain edge grind, which is known for creating a smooth and exact cut. This knife features a blade ground with flat bevels that extend from the spine all the way to the cutting edge. List number 3. Zero Tolerance 909 Pocket Knife. Rugged stone-washed blade finish helps hide scratches and fingerprints. Machine G10 handle scales are textured for sturdy grip, lightweight, strong, and resistant to extreme temperature changes. Professional, hard-use EDC for outdoor enthusiasts, active military, contractors, first responders, wilderness guides, law enforcement, or any knife lover in need of a heavy-duty pocket folder. 3.8 blade made of premium crucible S35 VN stainless steel features excellent strength, toughness, corrosion and wear resistance, edge retention, and overall blade longevity. List number 4. Cold Steel 4 Max Scout Folding Knife. Features an extra wide, drop-point blade and stonewash finish, which is identical to the original 4 Max. Blade made from 5mm thick AUS stainless steel for strength, toughness, and edge-holding potential. Handle made of tough and durable Grivex with stainless steel liners and a Grivex backspacer. Equipped with Andrew Demko's groundbreaking triad locking mechanism, which passed every one of our grueling shock and impact tests, and then went on to hold 600 pounds of free-hanging weight with no damage. List number 5. Lion Steel Team Monet Knife. Made in Italy by Lion Steel, one of the world's premier knife manufacturers. Knife handle is precision machined from a solid block of micarta for extra sturdiness and strength. Blade is made from Sleipner steel, a chromium/molybdenum/vanadium alloy, which is a variant of D2 steel. INCLUDS tungsten carbide glass breaker, and an ambidextrous pocket clip. Black finish Sleipner 6061 HRC blade with thumb disc. Back of blade etched Monet. Black micarta handles. Glass breaker tip. Lanyard hole. Stainless pocket clip.